Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Santosh Rao. Today date is 16th March 2022, and today my video topic is array list. Java array list class and uses. A dynamic array for storing the elements. It's like it's like an array, but there is no size limit. We can add or remove elements anytime, so it is much more flexible than traditional array. It is found at the Java util package array list. In Java can we have duplicate elements also. It implements the list interface, so we can use all the methods of the list interface here. The array list maintain the insertion order internally. It is inherits the abstract list class, and implement list interface. Java array list class can contain duplicate elements. Java array list classes maintain insertion order. Java array list class is non-synchronized. Java array list allow random access because the array works on the index basis. In array list, manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list in Java because a lot of things needs to occur if any elements is removed from the array list. We can not create an array list of the primitive data types such as integer, float, character, etc. It is required to use the required wrapped class in such cases. Wide add method. In the index, it is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in a list. Add all method. It is used to append all the elements in the specified collection to the end of the list in the order that they are written by the specified collection iterator. Clear method. It is used to remove all the elements from this list. Ensure capacity method. It is used to enhance the capacity of the an array list interface instance. Array list instance get method. It is used to take the element of the particular position of the element. Empty method. It returns true the empty, otherwise false. Iterator list iterator method. It is last index of method. It is used to return the index of list of last occurrence specified element. The list does not contain the elements. Object array method. To array method. It is used to return the array containing all the elements in the list in this correct order. To array method, it is used to return the array containing all the elements in the this list correct order. Object colon method, it is used to return the short copy of the array list. Contain method, it is returns the true if the list contains the specific element. Index of method, it is used to return index in this list of the first occurrence of this specified element or -1 if the list does not contain this element. Remove method, it is used to remove the element present in the at the specified position in the list. Remove boolean remove object o, it is used to remove the first occurrence of the elements specified elements boolean all remove all collection. It is used to remove the all elements from the list. Boolean remove it is used to remove all the elements from the list that satisfies the given predictable protected wide remove range into from the into index. It is used to remove all the elements lies within the given range. Replace all. Binary, it is used to replace the all elements from the list with the specified element. And retain all. it is used to retain the elements in the list or the present or specified collection. Set method, it is used to replace the specified element in the list present in the specified position. And sort method, it is used to sort elements of the list basis of the specified comparator. This is the all about the all the methods usually in the array list. Array list is the it is the node size limit, and node size limit, it is the can contain duplicate elements. It is a index based, hence we can remove add, get, set method usually easily. This is the all about the information about the array list. Thank you.